Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip, and I don't plan to... And this is just the beginning, I need a big change, only feel like living. I need...
Walang matibay na relasyon sa malanding may determinasyon. Mabuti nang hindi sobrang pretty, hindi naman makate.
Pabili nga ng kape yung matapang po. Yung kaya akong ipaglaban.
Paano magpulbos ang tanga?
Buhos ang pulbos sa salamin.
Tapos imudmud ang mukha sa salamin.
Ganon magpulbos ang tanga niya.
Let's go!
Bakit malungkot ang kalendaryo? Kasi bilang na ang araw niya.
Lapit mga kaibigan, agmumatayo eto prayu. Ako'y may dalang Skyflake 54 ang butas.
Oh! Ano ang ibig sabihin ng USI?
Ale, pabili nga po ng ballpen, yung di nawawala basta-basta.
Tapos napupunta sa iba.
Guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things.
Bring that Budo over her. And bring that Budo over.
We all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Hold up.